All right, so I'm trying to make this LED longer. This is a dome light in my car, and I bought a pack of these because I think it's going to work in my other car and be the right size. And I just said, hey, it's close enough. When I put it up there on the contacts, which I'll show you in a minute, it does work, but it just is not super tight because it's kind of barely touching the contacts. So I want to lengthen it, get a little more meat onto the contact so it won't accidentally come loose or potentially cause some sort of electrical issue. Obviously, we're only talking about 12 volts, so I'm not too worried about a fire starting or anything like that. But anyways, follow this at your own risk, but I'm going to figure out how to make this longer. First idea, I'm going to take these off, try to pry them on or shove them onto there. Might also try adding something else, so let's see what we can do. There we go. It's the finished product. If you don't like it, don't do it, but it's a good redneck solution to me. Show you as I pop it in the car. It's got a spring on there. Shove the cap over the end. Thing will work real nice. Yeah, so as you can see, it's just the spring I had lying around that fit right over the other contact. And then you have the cap I shoved on the end, so let me find my flashlight. This is the dome light of a 2002 Toyota Sequoia, if you're curious. Here's the other ones already installed. Here's the main here's the center dome light where I need the longer length. Alright, where's that side in? We'll push up our newly made side. Let me find a screwdriver. Actually looks like it's a tad too long. We'll see if we can pry it up there. Shorten it. Oh, there we go. Alright. Turn it on. Try it out. See if we get any sparks. Nope. Works perfectly. Hopefully this helps you out. Life's better when you know how to fix stuff like a redneck. Feels good when you can improvise and make it work with what you got. You ain't got to run to the store or wait for Amazon, spend more money. Just look in your parts bin. That's why you got to keep random stuff that you might need someday. Pull something out, make it useful. Feels good. All right, I'll catch you on the next one.